Everybody studies, but the topper is one. Everyone does the business, but the top ranker is only one. Everyone plays, but the gold medal goes to only one. What's the reason? Don't you want to know? You might have seen in the Olympic Games, people, means players from different countries are coming. They are playing and they are doing their best. But do you know? Do you think that everybody gets the gold medal? Undoubtedly no. The gold medal goes to only one person. There must be a last minute planning, something very special, the kind of strategy the person has made, and because of that the person is able to make a difference and is able to get the gold medal. At least he made the difference of 0.01%. That is a possibility. The same happens with the toppers. Everybody studies, but the topper is only one. Yes, the toppers are having some strategies. They are having some secret tips because of which they are actually scoring the highest. At least they are making a difference of 1%. So, in today's video, we are going to give you 5 secret tips of the toppers, which will make you the toppers as well, which will make you in a situation where you will get the highest. Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Shiksha Diksha. I am Pooja Roy, your educator, a mentor and a counselor. I have a request to watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to tell you 5 secrets. Along with that, the last one I'll give you a bonus tip. And this bonus tip is going to be very effective and undoubtedly very beneficial for you. So let's get going. The first tip is conceptual understanding. Everybody, every one of us learn something new every day. The same applies to the students as well. They learn new topics day by day, time by time. And what the secret of the topper is? Yes, the secret is the first time they are learning something, they make sure that they are learning from the reliable resource, from the best mentor. And they also make sure that they are not left with any confusion, means their concept is completely clear. That's why when first time their concept is clear, next time they have to revise. So if you want to be a topper, follow this tip that let your concept be clear in the very first time, and rest of the time you just revise and nobody can stop you getting very high marks. The second tip is stick to your notes. Have you observed that during the exam or just 2 days before the exam, some of your friends start calling you, hey, give me your notes. I forgot my notes, or my notes torn, or something else happened. They come up with a number of excuses. But have you seen ever topper doing like this and asking somebody else for the notes? No, never. This is the secret of a topper, that they don't rely on anybody's note. This is telling you from my own experience that whenever a topper studies from a teacher or doing the self-study, starts making the note himself or herself from his or her own handwriting, in his or her own language. So when there is a coordination between the mind and the hand, it never forgets. This is the main secret of a topper, that they stick to their own notes and they don't rely on others. So if you want to be a topper, just stick to that you are making your own notes in your own handwriting, so that it will help you in the exam to understand the things and to write the things in a very proper way. The third tip is a sight before good night. You might have seen some of your friends telling that I couldn't sleep over the night because before sleeping I was watching a movie of ghost. So the entire night in my dream the ghost came and it couldn't make me sleep. It didn't allow me to sleep even. Happens? Undoubtedly yes. Why does it happen? Actually, whatever we see or observe or think before our sleep, over the night our subconscious mind thinks about it. And this is the secret of the toppers. You may have a laugh, oh my god, what is this, what I'm telling about? But yet this is the reality. This is the secret of the topper, that when they go to the bed, they thoroughly go for each and every topic, the most important topic which they want to recall. They go for around half an hour reading and revising those topics. And what happens? After that they directly sleep. When they sleep, the subconscious mind is actually thinking about the same over the night. And early morning the person feels, oh, I have learnt everything. So if you want to be a topper, just have going through the notes over the night, means before you sleep, and then say good night. Tip number 4, strategic planning for preparation. Generally what happens when the student gets the syllabus and gets the timetable, the student start preparing himself with all the topics, all the chapters which are the part of the syllabus, which can be asked in the exam. So the student prepares line by line, question by question, and doesn't want to leave a single word. What is lacking here? The lack is only of the strategy. The lack is only of the planning. Yes, this is here what is completely different from the toppers. Toppers also go for the syllabus. They also go for line by line. But one thing they do is that they also go for the previous 5 to 7 years paper. Yes, question paper of the last 5 to 7 years paper. They go for it and they observe that which topic, which chapter is covered more, which chapter is having more and more number of questions, and how the question have been asked. So they have a planning accordingly. And when they plan accordingly, you might have heard also that a question which was asked, which was twisted, nobody was able to answer, but only a topper could answer. How? Because the student, the topper, already knows that the question can be asked this way as well. This is the planning. So whenever you want to go for the preparation of your exam, have a strategic planning. Plan first, go for the previous 5 to 7 years of papers, and then plan accordingly, think accordingly, and study accordingly. Nobody can stop you getting the highest marks in the exam. Tip number 5, which is actually going to surprise you. Yes, because the tip is close your book. Oh my God. I am telling you to prepare for the exam and be the topper, and I am telling you to close your book. Shocking, no? But yes, this is a reality. I'm not telling you not to study. I'm just telling you to close your book for some time. Yes. What happens? I'm just giving an example. What happens? Why do we have the meals as a breakfast, lunch, sometimes brunch and dinner, and there is an evening snacks little bit? Why? So that the digestive system works. Why? Because there must be an interval between the morning meal and the afternoon meal, so that the digestive system works to digest our food, not only to eat, right? The same applies. You just think every time you're reading, what happens? The mind is only stuffy. You are actually not allowing your mind to think, to recall and all. That's why I'm telling you that have a break. Close your book means have a break of that. Means when you're studying for the next 2 hours, make sure that next 15 minutes or 30 minutes you're taking a break. What do you have to do? Just sit in the sun. Start breathing. Listen to the music which gives you pleasant. Feel happy, feel chilled. Just take a chill and you will find that things which you learnt is now coming in your mind. This is actually freshening up the things, and your meal, like your knowledge, is being digested by your mind. So this is the secret of the toppers, that they don't study every time. Don't think that the toppers are actually studying for more hours. No, they are not studying for more hours. They are not doing the hard work. Actually, they are doing the smart work. So if you want to be a topper, do the smart work, not the hard work. And here the time comes for the most awaited moment, the tip, that is a bonus tip. Yes, the bonus tip, which is Honey Funny. Yes, Honey Funny. The name sounds very funny, isn't it? So what the thing is, you might have seen there are a number of memories, a number of things happen in your life, but there are few incidents you are never able to forget. You have a feeling that whole life you are never going to forget this moment. Why does it happen? Because it is somewhat special. It is related to some kind of incidents. The same applied here also in your studies as well. What do you have to do? What the kind of questions you are learning, what the kind of topics you are learning, just relate it with some kind of honey and some kind of funny things. And you will find that you are not at all going to forget it forever. Yes, This is actually a bonus tip which you are going to follow and undoubtedly are going to crack everything. So, dear students, dear friends, what did you find? I have shared the 5 tips with you. Along with that, I have shared the one bonus tip with you, which is going to help you out in all the exams, in all the kind of planning you're going to make for your exams. Prepare yourself well and subscribe to my channel, like to my videos, share with your friends and family, and please comment because I'll be waiting for your comment. All the best for all your upcoming exams. Thank you so much.